When it comes to your financial journey, following CSS Academy online is a crucial step towards gaining the knowledge and skills needed for success. Our Facebook and Instagram pages provide a wealth of resources that can truly elevate your understanding of personal finance and empower you to thrive. By connecting with CSS Academy on Facebook and Instagram, you open the door to a world of educational opportunities. Our informative and engaging content will guide you through various aspects of money management, helping you develop a solid financial mindset and build a secure financial future. But wait, there's more. As you embark on this exciting journey with CSS Academy, don't forget to join Swag Edition on Facebook and follow us on Instagram as well. Swag Edition is a vibrant community of fun-loving individuals who are dedicated to improving their financial situations. Guided by a swaggy mindset, this group shares tips, tricks, and strategies for financial success while having a blast along the way. You'll find that Swag Edition and CSS Academy go hand in hand, offering a comprehensive approach to personal finance. From Swag Edition, you'll learn about innovative money-making ideas and celebrate every step of your financial journey with a supportive community. Simultaneously, CSS Academy will provide you with the educational foundation and in-depth knowledge needed to make informed financial decisions. Join CSS Academy's Facebook page and Instagram page to access our valuable content and stay updated on our latest updates, including online courses and exciting opportunities. And don't forget to connect with Swag Edition on Facebook and follow us on Instagram, where the exuberant community will uplift and inspire you every step of the way. Click the links below to find and connect with us. Connect with Mike while you're at it. His links are below as well. By combining the wisdom and guidance of CSS Academy with the energy and support of Swag Edition, you'll be equipped with an unbeatable combination to flourish on your financial journey. Get ready to level up, achieve financial milestones, and embrace a swaggier future. Click below to follow us.